Pimples. They appear at the worst time and seem impossible to get rid of. But what if we told you that a simple herbal face mask could fight pimples, reduce redness, and leave your skin calm and clear? Let's dive into this powerful anti-acne face mask made with 100% natural ingredients. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon neem powder, fights acne-causing bacteria. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, reduces inflammation. 1 teaspoon sandalwood powder, soothes skin and controls oil. Rose water, balances and cools the skin. You can find these ingredients at your local Ayurvedic store or online. How to prepare the mask. Take a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of neem powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Slowly add rose water and mix until it forms a smooth, spreadable paste. How to use. Apply the mask evenly to your face, focusing on acne-prone areas. Avoid the eye and lip areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with cool water. Pat dry and follow up with a light moisturizer. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. You'll notice your pimples drying out and your skin becoming clearer and smoother. Always do a patch test before applying anything new to your face. Use fresh, high-quality powders for better results. Don't pop pimples. This mask helps them heal naturally. Clear skin is not about expensive products. It's about using the right ingredients, naturally. Say goodbye to pimples and hello to fresh, glowing skin, the herbal way. Like this video if you found it useful. Comment below if you've tried neem or turmeric before. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips every week.